Hello everyone, my name is Maricon Andrea Esteban, taking up Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, major in Home Economics. So for today, I will be discussing about scoring rubrics. So since learning is a dynamic and a complex process, teachers need a diverse set of tools for measuring the progress of the students. And one of those tools is the scoring rubric. Now, what does rubric mean? Rubrics is a learning assessment tool used to evaluate the written outputs, products, or performance-based tasks of the students. Also, S.M. Brookhart describes scoring rubrics as descriptive scoring schemes that are developed by teachers or other evaluators to guide the analysis of the products or processes of students' effort. So the rubrics are used by the teachers so that they can effectively quantify the performance of the students and what students demonstrate. The next one is the advantages of using rubrics. For learners, a rubric is often a mysterious grade at the end of a unit, project, paper, or presentation. It also gives insights and directions about what is important about an activity. For teachers, rubrics allow assessment to be more objective and consistent because the criteria are in specific terms. Also, rubrics clearly shows learners how their work will be evaluated and what they expect from this. It also promotes learners' awareness of the criteria to use in assessing their peers' performance. It provides useful feedback regarding the effectiveness of instruction, and it provides benchmarks against which to measure and document progress. So there are two types of scoring rubrics. These are the analytic rubric and the holistic rubric. The holistic rubric emphasizes the relation between parts and wholes, and it assesses learners' work as a whole using a criteria, and limited to describe the whole output based on analysis of parts. While on the analytic rubric, the whole output is broken up or separated in parts and scored accordingly, and it assesses components of a finished product. In the holistic rubric, it does not list separate levels of performance for each criterion, and it provides a single overall score but does not communicate information about what learners are to improve. In analytic rubric, it articulates levels of performance for each criterion and gives diagnostic information to the teacher and formative feedback to the learners. Now let's look for examples. So this is an example of holistic rubric where you can see the different components, the title, the description, the scoring on the left side, and the performance descriptor. So this rubric is designed to evaluate the portfolio submission based on content, presentation of work, and reflection. Now this time, let's have an example of analytic rubric, where you can see the title, math problem solving rubric, and then the description. This rubric is designed to measure the quality of a process rather than the quality of an end product. Work samples or collections of work will need to include some evidence of the individual's thinking about a problem-solving task, like reflections on the process from problem to proposed solution, steps in a problem-based learning assignment, record of think aloud protocol while solving a problem, then the scale and the scoring, and the criteria, and the performance descriptor. So that's the end of my discussion. Thank you for watching.